I've made some bread and pizza today, just about to pull it out from the oven. Let's see what's going on. You know, what's going on? Oh yeah, she's ready. She's ready for another love. And that's what it looks like, my pizza. Oh, it's hot. Hot. Oh, dear. Just brilliant. Yeah, I've got to wait to cool down before I chop it down in pieces. And let's see that bread. Oh, isn't that beautiful, I reckon. What's the sound, crispy? Yes, that's the way we like it. How about this one? Brilliant. Well, that's my work today. It's not too bad, and I'm happy. Just like a Rockefeller. We're going to have a pizza tonight. Supreme with everything. Yes, my beautiful pizza. I just made it, and it looks just brilliant. Well, I didn't know I can do such a good pizza, as well as bread. Wow, thank you to Janny can cook. She taught me on that trick. It's just wonderful. Thank you, Janny, and God bless you for that little recipe you gave me. Well, I'd better get back to work. We've got the dinner for tonight, and everything is just fine. I wouldn't ask for more. Well, wait until that oven cool down. So you've got to have a thermometer to measure the temperature. My Dutch oven is just fine. Good as gold. I love it. Thank you, and I'll see you around.